If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click the red button and then the bell icon to be the first to watch my videos. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a special effect to your image. Yeah, I'm making this video because this effect, there's 90% chances that you have not heard about this effect or neither you have seen this effect. Yeah, because it is a new one. The application which has this effect has been launched recently. So let's get started. The thing is that you will apply the effect on an image, but it will look as if you are playing a video. Yeah, that's the speciality. So just a minute. So all you have to do is go to Play Store and type Vimage. Oh, I'm so sorry, I typed it twice. And you will get this application. All you have to do is install it. Since I've already installed, I'll click on open. So video image, Vimage. Yeah, Vimage means that video image. These are the interfaces which you'll get on opening. And here you'll get your gallery or your pictures will be opened. Yeah, you can choose your picture which you want to choose. These are all the pictures which I have, so I think I'll use this picture to apply the special effect. See, just by dragging the picture here and there, you can crop it according to your wish. I'll keep it like this. Here are 6 basic features of editing which you must have seen: rotate, brightness, saturation, hue, flip, contrast. You must have seen all these, so I'll not go into this. When you are done with this, just simply click on the arrow on the top right corner, and then you'll get lots of effects. Yeah, these are the effects I was talking about. See, here we have the Vimage of the day. This changes every day. Now we have probably a comet. Yeah, so let's go and see the others. Bubbles floating. So among so many people, bubbles are floating. Wow. Glitter, particle dust. You saw the bee? Wow. Running clouds. Really, it seems as if we are not looking at an image, we are looking at a video. Wow, it's awesome. Look at this. This is really enchanting. So I think you can go through these, but I'll show you an example by putting an effect on the image which I chose. Yeah, I'll click on this rain on window. Here the pictures which you are getting just are examples, but you can put any picture you want. Yeah, that's the basic thing. Rain on window. And when you have finally chosen your effect, so just click on the top right corner, yeah, the arrow, and here you will see. What does it look like, huh? It looks as if the person, the bodybuilder, is inside and he's separated from the outside by a glass, and the water droplets proves that it is raining outside. Wow, there's a story inside an image. It's awesome. And here again you will have 8 basic editing features. As I told you, you must have seen all these, so I'll not get into these. You can just edit it as you wish using them. And when you are finally done, the last time click on the arrow in the top right corner, and these are basically their advertising. It will take some time to process. Once it is processed, the image will be shown to you, and if you want to save it, just simply click the save button below the image, and beside it we have the share to. You can click there and share to anywhere: Twitter, WhatsApp, Insta. But after you have put the effect on the image, you'll get a watermark. Yeah, watermark is a mark of the, actually the name of the application which we are using and which we actually don't want. It's unwanted. So if you want to remove it, just basically you have to follow their instruction. Tap to remove. So tap on it, and what does it say? Remove watermark, 99 rupees. You have to just pay 99 rupees, then it will be removed. It's not for one. Once you pay, none of the images will have watermarks. Yeah, but I'll not do it. And that's all. And if you want to cancel everything, on the top right corner we have the cross button. You can just simply click on that. It will be stored in Vimage but not in the gallery. Thank you so much. If you have liked my video, please put a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Telling the truth, I really want the results of my hard work. Thank you for watching the entire video.